accumulations between 4 and 8 inches possible. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Prepare for hazardous winter weather conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 10 inches possible. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Prepare for hazardous winter weather conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Total snow accumulations in excess of 6 inches. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Additional details. The heaviest snow is expected on Sunday. Sub-zero wind chills are expected Saturday night into Sunday morning, and again Sunday night into Monday morning. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Persons should consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded. Prepare. Significant accumulations are possible. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. What? Heavy snow. To heavy snow are forecast this weekend. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/RLX as well as on our X and Facebook pages. Here is a winter storm watch. And water in your... Madison, Pickaway, and Union counties. It is in effect from 10 a.m. Saturday to noon Monday. Heavy snow is expected with total snow accumulations between 8 and 12 inches. Travel could be very difficult and could impact the Monday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Visit ogo.com for the latest road information.
Never mind then.
weather advisory remains in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Monday. Extreme cold warning in effect from 6 p.m. Monday to noon Tuesday. What? For the cold weather advisory, very cold wind chills as low as 15 below zero expected. For the extreme cold warning, dangerously cold wind chills as low as around 25 below zero expected. Where? Portions of east central and southeast Indiana, northeast and northern Kentucky, and central, south central, southwest, and west central Ohio. When? For the cold weather advisory, from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Monday. For the extreme cold warning, from 6 p.m. Monday to noon Tuesday. Impacts. The dangerously cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Dress in layers, including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make sure outdoor animals have a warm, dry shelter, food, and unfrozen water. Extreme cold watch in effect from Monday.
Hello. You gonna go or what? No squall warning. Is this significant? Not so much. Oh, so you're not gonna go off? There you are.
Service in Cleveland has issued a snow squall warning for Wayne County in northeastern Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour.
I don't like it.
Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within
Snow squall
minutes.
warning. I don't like.
Motorists traveling on Interstate 71 should be prepared.
Wayne County, I just got it. It's going right now.
Locations impacted include Worcester, Orville, Richmond, Doylestown, Crescent, West Salem, Smithville, Marshallville, Burbank, Congress, and Reedsburg. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and all. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. At 4 p.m.
Alright, back to prank call. Here we go.
Be in Cleveland has issued a snow squall warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Stark County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Wait, is this significant?
5:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A dangerous snow squall was located along the line extending from Hudson to New Wadsworth.
It's significant.
45 miles per hour. Hazards, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to
Bennett, your phone's going off. Bennett's phone's going off.
greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcam. Impact, dangerous.
Your booty. This thing is buns.
Area. This snow squall will impact motorists traveling on Interstate 76.
You know what? Shut up.
Locations impacted include Akron, Kenton,
Akron.
Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Massillon, Kent, Barberton, Green, Solon, Alliance, Hudson, Twinsburg, Talmadge.
Why do they always say Akron?
Streetsboro, Macedonia, Louisville, Orville, Redmond, and Mogador. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout.
Oh, damn.
The National Weather Service includes...
Shit, look at that. That's freaking 2.5 foot tall and it's almost covered.